everybody, it's Sierra, and today I'm going to be trying to vlog. I tried doing that for the Sadie's dance, and as you can see, it never went up because it just wasn't good.
I actually did post the video LOL, but it doesn't change the fact that it was a bad video.
So today is April 27th, and for our school that means it's prom. And right now I'm going to be heading to my friend Maddie's house, who's going to be doing my makeup.
See you guys there.
Okay, I'll see you guys there, I guess.
I think.
She said, hey.
Wait. Checking the map.
Another stoic expression.
Okay, this looks like there's no product on here, but...
If you couldn't tell, I don't know how to vlog. I would say I'm sorry for the bad angle, but I would be lying if I did.
I need a baser lid. I don't know what I was thinking. Oops. Oops. I don't want to waste your product. So, you know how girls do that whole swipe thing? I'm like, they have money to do that. Me, on the other hand.
Another stoic expression.
You can use my brushes too if you...
Oh, it's okay. Oh, so... I look so dumb, I know. I look like hunchback. That's why I have, like, bad posture.
Me too, though. That's why I have scoliosis, you know?
Another stoic expression.
Because makeup is an art.
Unleash your inner artist.
Yeah.
Do you guys think that I do pink eyeshadow and purple lids for, like, because I'm insecure about my nose? No, like, it's an art, and people don't realize that.
Yeah.
Another stoic expression.
I just got my makeup done, and right now my mom is going to do my hair. And so we're gonna get started with that. And here's my mashed potatoes, because I'm hungry.
Another stoic expression.
I forgot to vlog the part where I met my friends to take pictures, but you shouldn't be surprised. Here's some pictures, I guess.
Okay. I forgot what I was gonna say. Okay, so we're here at Macaroni Girl after taking pictures. Okay.
I'm trying to be a good filmologist. I can't even speak English.
She was like, okay.
You can't forget about me, no?
Okay. And I'm here with my friends. Everybody say hi.
Hi. Well, that would have been a good time to flip
Yeah,
around the
that would
camera.
have been a good time.
Ah, my elbow. Sorry.
We just finished taking pictures, so
Cut.
I'm allergic to shrimp. Okay. So we got our food and I didn't have like anything to say.
I'm hungry.
And once we're done eating, we're gonna go in the cars, I guess, and we're gonna head to prom. And I guess I'll see you there.
That's the end of the video, lol. I didn't record anything else except for this small bit. Thanks for watching. Bye.